Hello, everybody. How are you doing? Let's see, today's Tuesday. Anybody else thrown off because of the holiday in America on Monday? And I've just lost track of times, dates, time zones, weeks, months. It's crazy. But all in all, had a great celebration with my family. Today, I want to talk about something that I truly believe is a condition that some of us are struggling with over the past, let's say, 3 years, if not more, depending on your lifestyle, your personality, and how you've watched the world unfold over the past 3 to 4 years. Some of you in other areas have actually witnessed such conditions the entire time and are saying to yourselves, we've been experiencing these conditions for forever. What I'm talking about your value and place in your world. Not only the role that you have in your family, in your relationships, in your business, even amongst strangers. But we have come to witness that over time, individuals have become more sensitive, more aware, more emotional, as well as more confused and lost. We have lost the ability, the courage, and the strength to voice our own opinions when we don't feel something is right, whether it be amongst a family member's behavior, a spouse's attitude or lack thereof, nurturance, and our children. We do not communicate, and this has been the trickling effect that people are being seen and not heard, or not seen nor heard, and complete chaos, turmoil, and a downward spiral occurs amongst the relationships of both entities. I am here to tell you and remind you it is important that you speak your mind in a civil and respectful manner. Why? Because we are not mind readers. A lot of you say, Andrea, my mom always says that. My dad always says that. I can't read your mind. Well, truth be told, it is a fact. We don't know what you are thinking, and if you don't speak up at many times, more often than none, we may interpret it as you being accepting or approving of how you are being treated. But then you go and talk on the other side of your mouth of frustration, anger, and you're not doing anything about it. Sometimes it's best not to do something and remove yourself from the situation. Andrea, how could I remove myself from the situation if I'm living with the individual, if I'm working with the individual, if I am a partner with the individual? Well, then I challenge you to explore your options and figure out a best method of communication. We cannot put ourselves in a predicament or a situation where we feel uncomfortable. For when we do, we are literally giving permission to others that we are deserving and accepting of how they treat us. Now, this was not something that I learned overnight. Of course not. It is something that I learned over time. That I really had to take the sacrifice and ultimate analysis and say, what is in my control and what is not in my control? And if I do have control over it, am I able to let it go and let it pan out the way it does? Now, I'm a strong believer of faith, that everything happens for you, to you, as well as working out for you. But you have to do your due diligence in contributing into whatever it may be. A feeling, an emotion, an action, a reaction, and a response. That's what we are in control over. And when we sit back and analyze, is this benefiting me or belittling me? That's when we take control. But we don't have to control everything in life. Remember my video a couple of days ago? I met two individuals that said, stop trying to control everything, especially yourself. Go with the flow, let go, and play the hand that you've been dealt. Make it and create your destiny. Enjoy and embrace the journey. And if you're not satisfied with it, what are the adjustments, tweaks, modifications that you can make to create your lifestyle? These choices may not be easy. These choices most likely are going to be difficult. But these choices are necessary, and you're deserving of every emotion, feeling, success, and what comes down the pipe for you. You determine that. And it all starts with the frequency. It all starts with emotion. It all starts with the feeling. It all starts with love. Allow yourself to live life and be in the present. Yesterday's already happened. Tomorrow's an adventure. Today, right now, is your present, your gift to yourself of the presence of yourself and others. Hear this from my heart. If you are not happy, and if you are witnessing and observing someone who is not happy, be supportive, be empathetic, be understanding, let them know you're there, but allow everyone to experience life on their own. Like I say in my business, if I'm leading you, then I'm not allowing you to live your life. If I'm guiding you, I may guide you outside of your comfort zone. So I walk right beside you and be supportive, empathetic, passionate, and understanding every step of the way to get you to your next level, to your best potential. I thank you for listening. I thank you for watching. My name is Andrea Mason, your global voice, motivational speaker under the mentorship of the legendary Dr. Les Brown, and your personal accountability coach. I thank you for listening. I thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Comment down below what you'd like for me to help you with. For I'm transparent. What you see is what you get. No excuses, just results. Walking beside you as you achieve your dreams. I thank you. Be safe and be well.